Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a topic saying motion and different types of motion. So in my last class I have sent a link to watch 2 videos. Hope you have gone through the video and have got some idea. So in this video we will discuss about the different types of motion in detail. Okay. So what do you mean by motion? Simple word. Motion means, say another word, I can say it's movement. Okay, it's movement. So, say I am standing in front of you, I am not changing my position. If I change my position from here to here, I say I will be in motion. Okay, so a body is said to be in motion when it changes position with time, or a motion is the change in the position of an object with time. So, opposite of motion will be, we will say, at rest. Okay. So, if you are sitting, you are not changing your position, you are remaining in one place, we will say that you are at rest. Or, another way of defining motion, an object is said to be in motion or moving when its position changes with time. Okay, when it will change its position, where, or you can say when the position of the object changes with time. Next is, what are the different types of motion? So in your syllabus, or mainly we learn about 3 types of motion. What is that? The first one is rectilinear motion, second one is circular motion, then comes rotational motion, periodic motion, and mixed motion. Okay, so mixed motion means a body when it is having more than one type of motion is said to be in mixed motion. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. Let us say rectilinear motion. So one word you know, linear means straight. In maths you have done straight. Okay, so rectilinear motion meaning the motion in which the body moves in a straight line. Meaning, if a body is moving in a straight line, then the body is said to be having what type of motion? It is having rectilinear motion, or one more we can say straight line motion. So examples from daily life we can give. Motion of soldiers in march past. So how the soldiers move in march past? All of you have seen march past, you know, Republic Day parade, Independence Day parade. In our school, in annual function also we have a parade. Okay, march past of different houses. So how the soldiers move? They move in a straight path. Correct? So what type of motion they have? They will have rectilinear motion. Then motion of a car on a what path? Straight road. Okay. Motion of a car on a straight road. Then falling of leaves from a tree. So when, I think you know, when leaves fall down from a tree, it always moves in a straight line, or in a, it follows what motion? Rectilinear motion. So examples from a daily life also you can give. Train. A train moving on a straight line, straight path, we also have rectilinear motion. So let us say, I have shown you some examples. The person's movement. Okay, motion. A person's motion, the person is moving on a straight line. A bicycle motion, if the bicycle is, or the person is using the bicycle in the straight path, it will have rectilinear motion. A car's motion, okay, if it is moving in a straight line, then a train's motion. Sometimes the motion will be different, but mainly what happens? A train usually have a rectilinear motion. So next is circular motion. Circular comes from the word circle. Okay, so circle will have a center, and if the body moves in this way, like a circle, having a fixed circumference from the radius, you know what is the radius, what is the circumference, you know. Okay, so that type of motion will be your circular motion. When an object moves along a circular path, it is called circular motion. So, motion of the earth around the sun, motion of the moon around the earth, motion of a point marked on the blade of an electric fan. Okay, then motion of a child on a merry-go-round. Child on a merry-go-round. All of you have seen a merry-go-round in the park. So merry-go-round moves like this. So when a child is sitting, suppose you are sitting on a merry-go-round. So what happens is you move in a circular path. Okay. So what type of motion you will have? You will have a circular motion. Okay. Then motion of a point marked on the blade of an electric fan. Say fan is having three blades. Okay. Fan is having three blades. So if you put a mark on one blade, what will happen to this point? This point will move like this. Okay. So what is happening? It is moving on a circular path having a fixed circumference or on a fixed circumference. Okay. So that type of motion will be your circular motion. Let us see a few examples. Example of circular motion is this one. All of you have seen a giant wheel. Okay. Say for example this one. If you are sitting here on this position, what will happen? You will move in this direction. How you are moving? You are moving in a circular path. So your movement will be in what type of motion? It will be a circular motion. Okay. Then comes, if you take it thread and tie it with a stone and whirl it around your, say, head like this. This is your hand. This is the stone. So what will happen? The stone will follow a circular path. So the stone will have what type of motion? Circular motion. Okay. Then same way, examples of circular motion is, all of you have seen the solar system. Okay. So solar system is also, the planets moving around the sun is also an example of circular motion. Here what we are taking, so this is the sun. Earth is revolving around the sun. Okay. Earth is revolving around the sun. So can you follow this? Can you see this path? This is an example of what type of motion? Circular motion. Okay. So in my next class, I will discuss about the other types of motion. Thank you.